You are going to love the 2020 Maxima. Maxima offers elegance with an edge. The spacious interior provides refined comfort for up to 5 passengers. Advanced technologies such as Nissan Intelligent Key and push-button ignition offer convenience and control and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, 4-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, power windows, tachometer, power steering. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.